guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing FormulaRX barrier repair cream and also about Zarina moisturizer, and obviously I'll compare them against my favorite True Derma moisturizing lotion. So yeah, let's get started. And all these products are popular in the market. There have been multiple reviews about these products, and if you're not interested you can please skip the video because yeah, it might be duplicate. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now I've been using the FormulaRX barrier repair cream for almost 2 weeks now, and yes, I would say that it does deliver what it promises. It is the perfect barrier repair cream I have found in the Indian market especially. I have been using a lot of moisturizers. Cream does live up to the expectations. It is a bit on the expensive side, but it has a consistency which is like gel like, and it is like when I apply it, it does give a oily finish, and I do feel like it's oily, but as and when you just apply it and as and when you just leave it just like that, it just merges with your skin and it just gets absorbed on your skin. And once it is absorbed completely, after 5 to 6 minutes, you can't see like there's a oily residue on the skin. So that is the best part of this. I had damaged my barrier long back in this year, and my skin has almost recovered on the right hand part. The left hand side was still damaged, and in between I had applied some niacinamide serum, and after that my skin broke out again. And after that I tried this FormulaRX and it was able to repair the barrier, thank God. And I had tried out multiple creams before this and none of them worked until I purchased this one. So obviously I would suggest this one for people who have a damaged barrier. I think you can definitely try this out. Dry skin need to top it up with some occlusive because this cream doesn't have any such occlusive. I felt it doesn't have any oils, so yeah, it might be drying. But for me, on my right hand part of the cheek when I applied it, and I think I have applied more, I did get 1 or 2 breakouts after application. But for my barrier function for the left hand side of my cheek, I think it is completely done its magic, and I am super grateful for this cream. Zarina Intense Moisturizing Lotion. I have not used it much, but yes, I did test it enough to give a review. So this is my review. It is a very lightweight gel like consistency. It is a lightweight cream, and it does give feel very matte. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It is more suitable for combination to oily skin rather than dry skin because it does get absorbed very quickly and it doesn't give any close comment. Comparing this to moisturizer, I think ceramides are higher in percentage in this one, and the ceramides which are mentioned over here comes below the ingredient list, so obviously it is lesser in percentage, but it has oat kernel flour which is extremely good for skin. See, and I have also observed that it does peel if your skin is very oily. I think it can peel at times, not always, but I have observed that this peels, especially if you apply some underlying moisturizer and then you apply this cream. I think it does peel a lot, and it is non-irritating. Both of these are fragrance free and non-comedogenic. but if you apply more amount of this moisturizer and if you are from the oily skin genre, I think you might get some breakout because of this. Now I have received all positive comments about this, even from Moitri and even from all of you on my Insta. I just put a poll on my Insta, and yeah, everyone commented good things about this except one comment, and he or she, I don't remember, okay, he or she mentioned that it did break her out. I think that is because you might have applied more quantity of this moisturizer on your face and you might be already from the oily skin type. So yeah, this might have broken you out, but otherwise I think this is more suitable for those who have a impaired barrier repair function. Definitely buy this maybe as a nighttime moisturizer. I will not buy this as a daytime moisturizer for my skin. I will repurchase for my nighttime moisturizer. So yeah, and I will apply in limited quantity. Aroma moisturizer actually comes in between, and I use this still as my daytime moisturizer on the right hand side of my cheek. So yeah, I will continue to buy this one, I think. But yes, these two are definitely good products, but again, it really depends on your skin type, and if you have a barrier like damaged barrier, I will definitely recommend this. This is such a glory. It is coming from the Indian brand, and I am really proud of the manufacturer, because this is revolutionary actually. Yeah, it is nice. So yeah, I think that was all about today's video, and thanks to all of you who have stayed by my channel and who has subscribed to my channel and who wait for my videos. It really means a lot for me.